Hi guys. So earlier in the video, I made a short about on how I will get rid of these bootleg plushies to replace it with some official Miraitowa and Someity plushes. I've had these bootlegs for over 4 years now, and this is really starting to get out of hand with the bootleg, and I'm really sick and tired of it now. So I said by the end of October, the new plushies would arrive from Japan. As a matter of fact, I was somehow got it a week early, and it's here. It's actually here. So we're gonna go unbox this and get a closer look at these plushies. Let's start by talking about the packaging. So as you can see, they come packed in this little baggy packaging. Feel how soft it is inside. On the other side, you can see some personal information, but I don't think I want to show this to you guys for various reasons. But let's go ahead and open them up and get a closer look at it. Let's go ahead. Let's carefully open this bag. Tear it open. There we go. It's opening. Here. Oh my gosh. Here they are. Are you ready? Ready? Let's start with the man himself. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at this. I can't believe I finally got my hands on these plushies. So, here's the back. You see these are a Visa Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic mascot tiny plushies. They may be tiny, but this is the best we can do to replace them. These cost around this cost me like above $35 on eBay, plus along with the free shipping. Although that costs extra because it was delivered from Japan. Overall, let's go ahead. Overall, this is a really nice looking one. Let's get them out of here. I love the unboxing. That's a bit of ASMR. There we go. Let's get this packaging out so we can get a closer look at these guys. Let's starting with Miraitowa here. Starting with Miraitowa. Here's Miraitowa doing his iconic pose from the official render. Here is the card, little keychain card that comes with. This is the official 2020 Tokyo 2020 official licensed product. So this tag shows that they say it's an official licensed product. This is collaborated with Visa. Now the plushie itself, we're gonna carefully get him free. Or ignore the fact that packaging has been damaged, but let's get him out of here. There he is. Here, the Miraitowa himself. So apparently I can also take off the clip here so sharp objects, if you try to do it, that would be pretty dangerous to ask your parents' permission before you do that. But overall, anyways, here's the plushie itself. This does look not too bad as an official plush, comparing it to the bootleg. Just for comparison, here's the bootleg compared to the official product. And there is a huge difference between the two. And can you identify which of these two is the real product? I'm getting better attention to the one on this the one on the right. So bootleg, goodbye. So now this guy here, he's tiny, he's precious. Look at him. The legs may not be flopping around than the bootleg, but hey, it's a pretty good idea for have it stand like making myself stand, have it stand like that. Now I've got Someity here. Let's get her out to get a close-up look at her. So here's Someity doing her iconic pose, just like in the render. As you can see, if I pull out the bootleg plushie of Someity, you can see a difference between the difference between the bootleg and the official product. Ignore my father right now. He's working with something. So here's Someity, the bootleg counterpart. Well, I'm glad to relieve to say that from Discord, Enzo to me pointed out that this version comes with a cape. And although what's different about this official one is the Tokyo 2020 Olympics logo was used instead of the Paralympic logo on her forehead. Overall, I pretty much like the official version better, so let's just say goodbye. I like you, Koji. So here's the official plushie of Someity, and boy, she does look gorgeous in this plushie form. In fact, so this is the clip that comes with Miraitowa. Same with the Miraitowa plushie. Though, as a matter of fact, you can take this off if you haven't seen it yet. But seriously, don't do if you aren't a big fan of this idea. Don't try it. Okay, there you go. Now, so here's the clip that comes with, and let's have a look at the Someity plush itself. So like I said, she is gorgeous, and she even comes with a cape. You can actually lift it up, and you can see the tag, the official tag, shown on here. If we show you up close, you can see the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic logo. To show you guys, it's an official plushie. It's the officially licensed product. I've finally been wishing to get these official plushies of Miraitowa and Someity, and here we are. Looking at these two together, it could be great teamwork in my channel for years to come. These are way better than way better than the bootlegs, as I could say. I think I will try and find a way to deal with these bootlegs in a future video, but I'm not sure. But for now, we're going to have to wait and see, and I'll figure it out how we can deal with it. As of then, thank you for enjoying this unboxing review, and this is Jeremy signing off. Enjoy these both. Enjoy these two. Someity, what do you think you're saying?